Okay, hello there, I'm Dennis. Welcome to Life Home, My Linux Journeys and Continual Soiree. Those of you familiar with what I'm talking about, you'll know where I got that. Anyway, I'm going to do a real quick video on Gentoo Linux and connecting to Wi-Fi. The problems that you might have, because I've had the same exact problem every computer brand that I've booted into the live ISO. I've had the same network problem. So, and I did some research and I found it right on their handbook, but I hadn't seen any videos on it. And I hope that I can make this easier for somebody that's wanting to experiment with Gentoo, but can't seem to get online through Wi-Fi. Now, if you're connected to internet through the Ethernet landline, you won't have this to worry about. It'll just connect and you'll be good to go. So let me bring up my notes here, or actually bring up the pictures. So I booted into the live ISO, which is a KDE desktop, and I went to click on the icon, to log into the network, and I got this error, and I get this error. So I wanted to know what to do about it. The first thing you'll have to do is, or first thing I did was I brought up the terminal and I said sudo password root. Now that sets up the password for your new installation. Once I did that, I put in a thumb drive to mount it. But when I did, it said the same thing, that I was not authorized to mount that. So I said, okay, and I brought up my terminal. Remember, I'd signed in as root here. And I run a lsblk list block devices, and it showed my USB drive. Well, I want to mount that so that I can get these notes off of that. So I created a folder in the Dolphin home folder, which you can mount it anywhere. I just created a folder so for ease. And then I run the mount command and mounted. In this case, the user is Gentoo, so it would be home Gentoo USB. Once I did that, I clicked on the Wi-Fi, gave it my password, and now it says I'm connected. All right, so here is the page for this information. It's called the Gentoo Wiki Network Manager Fixing Network Manager Applet Insufficient Privileges. What I did was I copied this over to a text file, copied this. I copied all of this right here, this information right there, and put it on a thumb drive, plugged that thumb drive in, and I mounted it. You just saw that. Once I mounted it, I opened up this file that you're looking at right now, and I went into the PoleKit Network Manager rules, and I copied and pasted everything from here up. That right there, that's what you'll get off of this page, including the last semicolon, which I found out that matters. Once you do that, you'll be able to connect to your network manager and you'll have success. Let's see, what was that? Right there. Connection activated. So that's going to do it for this video. I want to keep it real short because it's not a very complicated subject, but I didn't see this online on YouTube anywhere. So I wanted to do a quick video on maybe you'll be able to use your Wi-Fi. And like I said, I've done this on 4 different brand names computers, so it had nothing to do with the hardware. It's a system deal. You would think that you could put yourself in the plug devices user group at this time and that would work, but it does not. I found this is the easiest way to connect to a Wi-Fi, provided your Wi-Fi is recognized. And I've also tried this with several different thumb USB Wi-Fi's connections, and it didn't work either. So it's just a thing you'll have to work around, and I hope this helps you get past this so you can enjoy Gentoo Linux like I am right now. All right, guys, peace out. Bye.